Robinhood had a pretty interesting news last week, which on Friday was announced that it will be added to the S&P 500 on September 22nd. That's huge. That caused the stock to pop 15% on Monday. And I did take advantage of that and sold a little bit, I think 5% of my position. And of course, people are asking, like, why am I selling when the stock is going up rapidly, and isn't it still undervalued? Well, the answer to why am I selling when the stock goes up rapidly is because as the stock price goes up, it becomes the valuation becomes sort of less and less attractive, right? A lot of the future potential of the stock is built into the stock price, into the market cap. So in Robinhood's case, we're talking about a stock or a company that I still think is executing exceptionally well. They just had an event last night, as a matter of fact, with a lot of new product announcements. Everything great, except maybe the shorting thing, making it super easy for people to short stocks. But uh, Robinhood is in this fantastic position of also benefiting from like inheritance, that this multi-trillion dollars of inheritance that's going to come to a younger generation over the course of the next decade or two. So they're in a great position to benefit from like all of these tailwinds, and they continue to enhance their products at a rapid pace, outpacing the innovation on any other platform, that investment platform. So all of that is great. But when you look at the company, and all of that has been true, by the way, for the past few years as well, as I started investing in them. But since I've started investing in them, the stock price has more than 10x, and their revenue has only 2x, right? So,
Right.
roughly speaking. So when the stock price has 10x and revenue has only 2x, that means a significant portion of the future potential is already built into today's stock price. And that is the reason why it becomes a higher risk, and therefore selling a little bit means that I'm de-risking a little bit of my portfolio. Now, is it going to continue to go up? I sure as hell hope so, and fully expect that it will. Uh, y- you know, and that's why I have such a huge portion of my portfolio in it. But is it much riskier because now the company is being valued at close to 30 times sales? Then the answer is yeah, obviously. So that's the sort of de-risk move there.
The other thing I like about taking profit now is just taking profit at certain milestones. And it's not price milestones, it's event milestones of Robinhood being added to the S&P. If you're a Robinhood shareholder, it's something that's kind of should be on your mind, because I know they were kind of in the running
Right.
previously for it. Um, Personally, I didn't take any profit. I might next week when it gets closer to the effective date when Robinhood's actually added to the S&P.
Right. Right.
But we'll
What
see when we
portion
get
of
there.
your portfolio is in Robinhood?
Slightly over 10%.
Okay. Mine, even after the sales, is still over 22%. So
Right.
it's a little bit higher risk for me than for you. Um,
Right. Yeah. Like if Robinhood were to tank for whatever reason, I wouldn't feel any sort of regret of like not taking profit. It'd be fine.
right, right.